Hello everyone, this is Veyil. Today we are going to see the important notes that you need to write in the examination when the question is asked on Arms and the Man. Okay, so the full title is, as we said, Arms and the Man, and the subtitle is An Anti-Romantic Comedy in 3 Acts, George Bernard Shaw. Okay, so if you can't remember the full title, you can also remember the first main title itself, Arms and the Man. If that is enough to write in the examinations. And also, if you are not able to remember the full name of the author, George Bernard Shaw, you can shorten the name and write it as G.B. Shaw. Okay, so this is what you can do. So this is what we are going to see in this video. So whenever you write an essay, an introduction is very important for the essay. So if a question is asked on George Bernard Shaw's Arms and the Man, you can write this introduction for whatever question they ask. Okay, give an introduction title and write G.B. Shaw is one of the greatest dramatists of English literature. That is the first point. Then the second point is his plays are marked by a witty satire. And the third point is, for instance, his play Arms and the Man makes fun of romantic attitudes towards love and war. So you can write it as a single paragraph. I have given us a 3 points for your better understanding. You can also write it as a single paragraph. Okay. So as you all know, George Bernard Shaw is the greatest dramatist in English literature. So he's a greatest dramatist. That is the meaning of that line. So his plays are marked by witty satire. So satire means satirizing. He is satirizing. So satire is a common word which is used in literary aspect. So you will have a lot of humor in it, and you will laugh at the humor, and you will also get some message through that humor. So that is a kind of satire he is using here. So we are giving an example. So in this play also we have a lot of humor. He is mocking at the concept of war and love in this play. That is what it is given in the third line. That is, for instance, his play Arms and the Man makes fun of romantic attitudes towards love and war. So this is the introduction. You can just memorize it and write it in your essay. Okay, just keep writing it and practice. So it will help you a lot. So if you take the characters, there are 7 characters. Okay, so first character is the name of the heroine. So she is Raina Petkov. She is also called as Raina. If you want to shorten the name, you can write it as Raina. So the second one is Major Sergius Sharonov. So you can also shorten the name as Sergius. So Sergius is the hero of the play. So the heroine is Raina and the hero is the Sergius. Okay. So then we have Captain Blunsey. So he is the opposite team. So Major Sergius is a officer in one team, and Captain Blunsey is the opponent team's important character. Okay. Then we have Lauka. So Lauka is the maid servant of the Raina Petkov's family. Okay. So fifth one is Major Paul Petkov. So you can also call him as Major Petkov. So Major Petkov is the father of Raina Petkov. Then we have Catherine Petkov. So you know Catherine Petkov is the mother of Raina Petkov and the wife of Major Petkov. And finally we have Nicola. So Nicola is the manservant. So how the Lauka is the maid servant, she is the female, and Nicola is the manservant, he is a male. So servant of the Petkov family. So these are the important characters in the play. Then we see the themes. So the idealization of love is the main theme, and the reality of war. And the third one is social status and class differences are the 3 important themes in the play. So when we take the play, there are 2 important countries mentioned, that is Bulgaria and Serbia. So Bulgaria and Serbia are the 2 countries which are fighting against each other. Okay. So finally, conclusion. So conclusion is also very important for an essay. So whenever you write an essay, you should also have an introduction and conclusion. That is the main part. So if you write it well, you will get definitely good marks. So how can you conclude is, you can write, in this play, war is seen as a terrible experience. Okay, so that is the first point you can write. The second point is, according to Shaw, war is not about glory but about savagery and suffering. So the third point is, this play tries to show the difference between real heroism and false notions of bravery, and honor. Okay, so again, I have given us a 3 point. You can also make it into a single paragraph, so that will also help you a lot. So I think you understood how to write in an essay with a conclusion and an introduction. So it will be very useful. I will tell you. So this is the first part and the last part. In between you have something to write, so that will be based on the question asked in the question paper in your examination. So if they ask some question, so you have to write according to what they ask in the question paper. You can simply put the introduction conclusion same, whatever essay they ask, you can write the same introduction and conclusion, and inside the subject matter you can write according to the question that they have asked. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.